everyone, let's be honest. When was the last time you cleaned your makeup brushes? If you are like me who waits way too long, then I have the perfect solution for you. Charcoal Solid Brush Cleanser by the Drugstore company. It's a multi-purpose cleansing bar. You can clean all your makeup brushes, beauty blenders, and any other puffs that you might use in your makeup. Also, you can check the other variants on their website. It's not just an ordinary brush cleanser. It's packed with activated charcoal that has detoxifying properties that pulls out all the dirt and bacteria and makeup buildup from all your brushes. Here's how you can use it seamlessly. It's super easy to use. Just wet your brush, swirl it over the cleanser and rinse. Your brushes are back to life in seconds. And the best part, it doesn't leave any residue. So your brushes stay soft, fluffy and ready for flawless makeup application. And also make sure to rinse it under running water. Here I used a bowl of water just to demonstrate. But what makes it unique? It's 100% vegan and FDA approved. Also, it's a gentle cleanser but cleanses very effectively. And as you can see, it comes in a tin case, which makes it easy for travel as well.